Alex and I just put these casters on the bottom of this old crappy shop table that we threw together one day. It works really good, doesn't it, Alex?
Yep.
I bought them off of Amazon, and really the main reason I bought them was to put a base on this old Chuck E. Cheese cabinet. It was a cart, and if you know, well, you'll have to follow us on Instagram to follow that story. But anyway, this is an old cabinet that we took off of a Chuck E. Cheese cart. And so what I'm going to do is put a base on it and then put these casters. But I thought I was kind of impressed with something about these casters. I'm going to show you. So Alex has helped me. Thank you, Alex.
No problem.
Look, it came with a screwdriver. That's something. Now the screws that it came with are kind of wimpy. They're only like maybe 1 inch pan-headed screws. They're kind of wimpy, so we're using these 2-inch Craig tool. They're 1.5 inches, sorry. I have some 2-inch somewhere. These are the best screws ever made. They're coarse threaded, they're self-drilling. They've got that kind of built-in washer. And of course they're made for, you know, putting cabinets together. They hold really well, but they also are not as wimpy as these. But what we are doing is using the washers, which are perfect for this. So what we're going to do is make a quick base, and we'll show you how we're going to do this. Okay, Alex, we're going to use this old painted 2x4. I think this came off of Valley Griffey house. You remember the old the lean-to roofs over the shop door?
Yep.
This was left over. I recognize this trim color. We're just going to make this a frame. So, came up with what, 19 3/4? I can just kind of mark this one. Now we just need 2 12-inch pieces. All right, so this isn't going to be pretty because it's painted, but it's all scarred up. But it's just a base for an old rough Chuck E. Cheese cabinet, right?
Yep.
Remind me to pick those screws up. You gotta leave room on this. Like you gotta leave this sticking over a little bit, because when you screw it, it'll pull it up like that. Can you see that little edge?
Yeah.
See that pull up?
Yep.
So, quick update on the cheap drill we bought just to test out. I think this used to be Hitachi Metabo. How do you say that, Alex? Is that Spanish? Metabo. Anyway, so the only thing I have found so far that kind of is not desirable is the chuck. You know, it's a keyless chuck, but it's not like the, it's not as good as the Milwaukee keyless chuck. So just a update on that. The cheap drill. Alex, this one day Barrett and I went in just to find the cheapest drill we could find, because sometimes we run out of juice on our batteries. And we said, we're gonna see how long it lasts. So anyway, I've got this hole I'm gonna use. This is from where it used to be attached to the cart. And I'm gonna use that one. And then Alex and I marked 2 new hole locations, here and here. And let's drill those, Alex. It's funny, the casters on the table are making it move around. I'm gonna hold it. Cool. Alex, you're a birthday star.
What?
I found that all the stuff in all these. Do you think they'll take these tickets if we go there today and eat lunch or something? This was out behind Chuck E. Cheese, and I called them and asked them. It was pretty heavy when it was all bolted together with the cart, and I think they couldn't get it into the dumpster. So, that's pretty. So they said I could have it. All right, Alex, we got our washer and our screw. I'm gonna have to fix this, but no big deal. I need to hold it out here. And then we got this screw over here. Perfect. Okay, Alex, so now, and I'm gonna put a link. These casters are really cool and they were cheap. So now we're gonna put a caster on each corner. All right, Alex, I've got a screw, I've got a crank tool screw and a washer, because the slots in these are, can you see? It's kind of black. You can't really see it, can you? Here's the light from my Milwaukee drill. But that's really strong. It's gonna be cool. All right, Alex, this is the last one. Aren't those cool? Is my arm in the way? Nice. So Alex, what prompted this whole thing was my lovely wife and your mom wanted me to cut a door in under this stair because there's storage space under there. So that meant if I was going to put anything in the corner, it needed to be able to move easily. So now look. So what we're going to do is push this in there. Now, eventually, when I get the rest of the shop cleaned up, that'll have its own spot. But for now, it's going to sit there. Then I can, with one hand, get back here and roll this table. It almost rolls itself. And then see how easy that was? Now when your mom wants to get to Christmas time stuff, which is going to be under the stair, we just rolled it out. What do you think? It's cool, isn't it? Now I gotta do some cleanup. Calgon, take me away. Boy, you messed up my intro.